Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So in order to do this, let's open Google Play Store. Now we need to find Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Now we can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization or do it later. You can set up for data sharing preferences, accept or not, and move on. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, but it's also optional and you can skip it. Now let's open any website and see if it works. Now as you can see, Bing opens normally and we can browse some news. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.